Hello guys, I'm Moki WMOKL. My mod is smart. When I'm on a block, it checks around the block to see if there's any chest. If there's a chest, it'll first target the chest. But that is a problem. You can just take a look. See? 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 Since the block over here is right next to the chest over there, it will just make my macro target the chest right here. Now I have to fix this. Well, like, honestly, this won't really happen to you because there's no one stupid enough to mine a tunnel right here, right? Yeah, you're supposed to mine the tunnel on the bedrock, not 2 blocks above the bedrock. But anyway, that may happen. So we have to fix it. And I have to thank the anonymous user who reported this bug, just to make me suffer. And holy fuck, how does Mega still get 130 players? My mod can detect 2 types of chests. The chests that were already there. They are not from my mining. They were just there. The second one are the chests spawned after I mine a block. So those are the chests that were spawned from the block, which are those Megos chests, right? Really easy to understand. So the logic is clear. To fix the aforementioned bug, we just have to totally ignore mining those yellow chests that were originally there and only target the brown chests that were generated by ourselves from the blocks. Please excuse me for my broken English. I haven't speak English for a long while. See, I can't even speak the word English. Well guys, I was gonna yap about why this fix wouldn't work, and it took me more than 3 hours to fix it. But later on, looking back, I realized it was just my skill issue. I could have fixed it a lot easier. It could be fixed in 20 minutes, not 3 hours. It was just my skill issue. Anyway, it was fixed. It will no longer target someone else's chest anymore, which is good. Well guys, before I go, I could briefly talk about how I track for the server spawn chests. Well, basically, I have a tracker that maintains the last 4 blocks position that I broke. And then I have a method that checks the chest that newly got into the render distance. If it matches the last 4 blocks that I mined, the position I mean, it just flags it as a server spawn chest, which I thought was pretty smart. There could be an easier way, but, well, I'm not a software engineer. I'm just a freaking idiot playing Minecraft. Yeah, and I will share the code snippets that I'm talking about so you guys can work on something with it. Like, it's pretty general and it's pretty universal.